let's come to Reddit, or let's do one thing. Let's go to Medium first. Lastly, we'll come to Reddit. Okay, now Medium is a blogging platform as such. Okay, Medium is a blogging platform, but it is different than any other blogging platform like WordPress or any other magazine sort of a blog, is because it doesn't have any filter. Okay, Aman says, can we include Discord? I don't think time will permit us to include Discord in this discussion, Aman. But yes, Discord is a very good platform that you've just brought in, and that's just giving me so many ideas immediately. Discord is hugely popular, especially amongst the gamers, I think. And yes, you can have your own servers and a lot of stuff you can do over there. Let's plan something else on Discord soon. In between, let's quickly explore Medium and Reddit as well. So, okay, Medium doesn't have a filter. Okay, so in the sense that it doesn't control who can come onto the platform and post what, unless it violates their terms and conditions, or their privacy, or their rules, community rules as such. Okay, so it's pretty simple to create an account on Medium, to start blogging about your content or your kind of stuff on Medium. Okay, but it is difficult to get engagement on Medium, for sure, because there is just so much of content on Medium that engagement comes a little difficult. Having said that, it is again a very good platform for from SEO perspective. Another good thing about Medium that you should notice is, so over here, as you can see, this is a 6-minute read. It is a 4-minute read, 5-minute read. Lesser the amount you are spending from your user's perspective, shorter the content you can create for them, best it works. Okay, so create very short snippet of content that you would want to engage your audience in, and the chances of it taking off are definitely higher. You can choose a paid version as well, and then your content will automatically start coming up, and you'll get better engagement. Medium can be directly connected to Twitter, so you can whatever you're posting on Medium, you can share on Twitter. So it's like Facebook and Instagram that way. In terms of topics to follow, it's much like Quora. You can decide on topics that you want to follow. So for example, I decide to follow data science. Okay, sorry. Oops, okay. These are all the topics that I can choose from. And when you will be writing content, you will be able to see how many people have actually subscribed to these topics as well. Okay, and as you can see over here, there's just so many, so much of stuff that you can choose from. Culture, equality, health. You can even create these categories. So it's quite possible that you want to create content which is very novel. So you can simply create your own category as well. Industry wise. Okay. Let's just see one of these sections. So here you have all the content that has been created in this category. This particular article is a 4-minute read. So we can just click on it and start reading this article. So as you can see, it's a text heavy kind of a platform. So your users, or rather your readers over here, will be people who typically spend time in reading on internet. Okay, so less of graphics, more of textual content, but shorter the content, better it works. You can choose any topic and you can start writing on it. You can cross promote your Medium articles as well. Just like any other blogging platform, you can cross promote your Medium articles across your Facebook page or your Insta handle, and you can start getting views from there. In fact, that's something that you will have to indulge in. Okay, Medium again is a good platform from SEO perspective, as you can figure out, because it's quite text heavy, so it's easier to include keywords over here, and it can easily feature you. Now, Medium again is a very popular blogging platform. However, not a lot of people still are using Medium to write. Okay, but yes, people are really using Medium to read. So that's a very good leverage that you can have over here in order to make your content more interesting and in order to drive a lot of traffic to your web presence. Okay, so this is what Medium is. Okay. Aman, for Aman, this is a new platform and he's liking it. I'm really happy, Aman. It gives you very good window both as a digital marketer and or as a as a personal brand growing. Just a quick word of caution over here. Initially, when you start writing, first 10-15 articles, you won't really see a lot of viewership. But after you cross that number, you will be able to develop a lot of viewership. You'll be slowly developing your viewership. So consistency is quite the key over here. Just don't get demotivated. Keep writing, write short snippets and keep promoting them on your personal platforms or on your business platforms, and gradually it will pick up. Okay, another thing on Medium, yes, what you should really keep in mind is promotion on Medium should be pretty subconscious in the sense that, you should write in order to educate your readers or in order to give them something new, in order to give them something interesting, something developmental. Don't promote business blatantly or, don't promote your business outrightly over here. Your articles can face rejection. Okay, because for business accounts, you'll have to upgrade and then you can definitely go about writing promotional articles and all. But till then, till the time, you're just building up content, it's better to promote your services or your product in a more subconscious way, in a more subtle way. Okay, so that's something that you should keep in mind for Medium. It's pretty interesting as such, and especially when you connect to the topics that you follow. It again has a good AI engine. You will be given very regular and very apt notifications. Okay, so that's a very good thing about Medium as well. Most of the Medium readers are Medium readers are, for that matter, across the globe, but you will find them more in cities or towns that are more IT savvy, okay, or they have the population of people who are more involved in their online behavior. They are more likely to check Medium. Okay, Medium doesn't have any community sort of a feature as such. Your followers are your community, so it doesn't have a separate community feature as such.